This is the year we achieve that financial freedom that we so deserve. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 stocks that will change your daily investing life. I use these stocks pretty much every day to generate passive income through selling options. And I know most videos right now are talking about YMAX and YieldMax, and those are great and fantastic, but I'm going to talk about 3 stocks today that I use every day to generate income. And the last one is under $5 a share. So if you would pause the video at this point and let me know in the comments what you think it's going to be before you get to that point. And let's see if anybody guesses it right. We'll do a little game with it. But like I said, welcome back to the channel. I'm Isaiah. Let's dive in. The first one is FCEL, Fuelcell Energy. And I love this stock. It trades between $6 and $9. Sorry, about $6.50 and $9. A nice volatile stock that's relatively cheap. We're going to go down to my history. As you can see, I have quite a few open positions on this one. But let's go down and look at our history of Fuelcell Energy. And you can kind of just see the credits I've collected from it. Rolling the position, selling options. It's a pretty long list, extensive cash flow generated from this stock. Like I said, this is one of them that I use daily to generate income. I try to go 3 weeks out, sometimes 4, when I'm selling options on Fuelcell. But this is one under $10 that, like I said, I am just using to generate income. I like the company, and it's one that is volatile enough to create a decent premium. There's a lot of stocks that trade flat, and the downside with selling puts, when it trades flat, you're not going to get any credit. The next one, we're going to look at Iris Energy, ticker symbol IREN, and this stock has went as low as $9.70, and it's kind of capped around that $13.22. So I love selling $10, $11, $9 puts. I have 2 open right now. I got the 9 and the 850. Pretty sure those are both going to expire worthless next week, which is, again, a big win. Let's scroll down to their history so you can just kind of see. I like to do the transparency here. I like to show you how much credit I've collected. You see that 152 for the put expiring next week. That's pretty nice. That was a nice chunk of change collected. I sold that 2 weeks ago. But let's scroll down to our history here. As you can see, generating plenty of income. And for those that are somewhat new to option trading, when you see a put expiration of 0, that means it expired worthless. That means I got to keep the credit and I didn't have to purchase the shares. So whenever you see a put expiration of 0, that's a big win with cash secured puts. So we're still scrolling down, and as you can see, I've generated quite a bit of revenue from it. Iron and Serve, SERV, are my 2 favorites from the beginning. But the problem is Serve has kind of jumped up to around $18, $19 a share, and I was selling puts on it when it was like 5 and 6. I don't want to sell it anymore at that price, but when it comes back, I'll jump on. And the last one for the video, NIO. I love this one. NEO, just love it. I have a couple open positions there. As you can see, I keep rolling those covered calls because I do not want to give my stocks away for $4.50. I think I've rolled those for about a month straight, doing weeklies. Let's scroll down to our history on this stock. And this is the one that's under $5 that, for $500 collateral, you can collect around 30, 40, 50 bucks a week on it, which is pretty good. So let's keep scrolling. You can see purchased a couple shares, sold puts on it, rolled covered calls, sold calls on it, and just a nice little premium every week. And it's just a great stock. I've done it long term, and it's one that I do believe has some serious upward trajectory. But those are the 3 stocks that I think you should add to your portfolio. Again, not financial advice, just my opinion, in terms of generating daily income, passive income, through selling cash secured puts or selling covered calls, and then you make them even more deadly when you start rolling positions, rolling the cash secured put, rolling a covered call. For those that are new, when you roll a position, you're basically extending it out to a further expiration date, and by doing so, you're collecting an additional credit. So again, these are the 3 plays that I highly recommend, that I like to use. And if you like this video, help me out. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. turn that bell notification on so you don't miss any of the daily uploads, and let's grow together, because this is the year, like I said, we achieve that financial freedom. If you're looking at getting started and you'd like a little bit of one-on-one coaching, I have a Fiverr account. I'll link in the description. It's $75 a month, 6 one-on-one sessions, as well as continuous conversation and communication throughout the month. I'll send you the stock screener I use to find all these plays, everything else, and let's just grow together.